Hello everyone, welcome to Scratch Life, and today we are going to deal with the topic linear equations. Before going to linear equation, we first need to understand what expression is. Let us quickly see through these two terms. I have written here 5x plus 9 and 7 plus 2. Here we have two terms 5x and 9 separated by a mathematical operator, that is addition. When I separate two terms by a mathematical operator, for example this one also 2y and 3 are separated by a mathematical operation subtraction. When I separate two terms by a mathematical operation, I call it as an expression. Also we have 7 and 2 here separated by a plus sign, and we have 5 and 3 here separated by a subtraction sign. That means these are also called an expression. Now what is the difference between these two? The difference between these two is, this is the algebraic expression as it includes a variable in it, and this is a numerical expression, right? Now let us understand what an equation is. If I write about equation, first of all I need to write an expression. For example, I write 5x plus 3 here, and if I put a equals to sign here and put any type of constant, that is 0, or if I put 3, 4, 5, any number if I put towards the RHS of equal to sign, then I call it as an equation. That means an expression with an equal to sign is called an equation, right? Now we need to understand different parts of equation. What an equation constitutes. If I write, for an example, if I am writing 5x plus 3, I write this is equal to 9. I write this equation. This equation constitutes of various things. First of all, we have understood what a term is. Two things separated by a mathematical operation is called a term, T-E-R-M term. Therefore, it is a term here. This equation has, the LHS of the equation has two terms. This is the term 1 and this is the term 2. Now, if I talk about the term 1, I have 5x in it. Here, the x is what? The x is called variable. Why am I calling it a variable? I am calling it a variable because the value of x is not fixed here. The value of x depends upon the equation, right? The value of x varies time to time, therefore we call it a variable. Now, if I talk about this 9 or this 3, if I talk about 9 or this 3, these are constants. Why I am calling it as constant? I am calling it as constant because the value of 3 and 9 is always fixed. It is never going to change in the equation. Therefore, 3 and 9 are constant. Now you might having a question that what about this 5? This 5 is also a constant. But since this 5 is with the variable, we will not call it as constant. Instead, we call it as a coefficient. So 5 here is coefficient. So if 5 is a coefficient, that means any constant standing with the variable is called coefficient in the equation, right? Now, we are clear with the term constant, variable, term and coefficient, right? Now let us understand the general form of the equation. The general form of the equation here is ax plus b is equal to 0. Right? Ax plus b is equal to 0. Also, if it is not 0, we can also write it in this form, ax plus b plus c is equal to 0. Right? Now, if I include any one more variable here, if I write y here, what is the difference between these two equations? These two equations, the first equation is having only one variable and the second equation is having two variables in it, right? So we have an equation having one variable and we have an equation having two variables. What kind of equation it is? Before going into the details, we must understand what are the different types of equation. The types of equation include, number one, linear equation. Number two, quadratic equation. And number three, cubic equation. Now what is the difference between these three? If I talk about linear equation, here the power of variable is 1. That means 5x plus 9, here the power of variable is 1. Therefore, it is a linear equation. Now, if I write 2x square plus 3x plus 5 is equal to 0, here the power of variable x, highest power of variable x is 2. Whenever any variable having highest power as 2, we call it a quadratic equation. Now if I write 3x cube plus 5x square plus 3x plus 9 is equal to 0, here the highest power of variable is 3. Whenever the highest power of variable, that is the degree of the equation, is 3, we call it a cubic equation. Therefore, it is very clear from the examples that what are the different types of equation. We are dealing with only linear equations here. There are two types of linear equation. Very quickly, we are going to see what are the types of linear equation. Friends, if I write 5x, or constantly I am taking 5 as an example, so we will write 6x here. 6x plus 7 is equal to 0, right? So here it is a linear equation. Why? Because the power of the variable is 1 here. That is why it is a linear equation. But the number of variables in the equation is only 1. Therefore, it is 6x plus 7 is linear equation in one variable. The standard form of linear equation in one variable is ax plus b is equal to 0. This is linear equation in one variable, right? There is one more type of linear equation, that is the linear equation in two variables. What are the examples of linear equation in two variable? If I write in two variable, it will be 2x plus 3y is equal to 9. This is the linear equation having two variable x and y. The general form of linear equation in two variable is ax plus by is equal to c. This is the general form of linear equation in two variable. That's all for this video. Thank you for watching.